a sales team has 8,500 and 9,000 of point of salesperson are the insurance advisors. But how many are active out of that? Yeah, of course, they train you, but number of trained advisors are very much low. There's hardly 300 and 350. 61% of the insurance policies which are taken online are going wrong.
Why would you say that?
Life is very much unpredictable. Can't say what is going to happen the next second. If you see the accident, I'm talking about only the NCWR data. In last 3 years, more than 5 lakh of people have died because of a road accident.
Really?
In the night, insurance employee, insurance underwriter, he receives a call from Singapore from the insurance company's agent that data of this company is available for sale on the dark web.
Oh.
One of the his employee who was collecting data for last 1 year, and now after that he has put it on dark web for sale. किसी भी तरह की हो सकती है. Let us say I'm sitting here with you. I get angry, and I slap the cameraman.
Welcome to yet another episode of Unbound. Another journey, another human, and today we are spotlighting someone who's not just an insurance expert but is a truth teller. He's the one who tells you what lies between the lines of fine print. KD Chawla. Hello, sir. Welcome to Unbound.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for having me here, and I'm pleased to be here on Unbound.
Thank you. Thanks for taking up the invite. And coming from the sector of insurance, an advisor, an expert, you are building a legacy, right? With your work, with your influence. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एरिया है. समथिंग हमने शायद अनबाउंड पे कभी कवर नहीं किया है इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को, इस टॉपिक को. हाउ डिड इंश्योरेंस हैपन टू यू? टेल अस योर ब्रीफ जर्नी.
Leaving the Indian Air Force, I was just thinking what to do and what not to do. And उसके बाद हुआ क्या, with my friend, we opened, we started a small business, a small, as a sub DSA of ICICI Bank. But that didn't happen. But fortunately, we saw someone who was carrying a bag with a bag of insurance company. So he advised us to, why don't you do insurance for the loans which you are doing for the car loans which you are creating, and for that why don't you do insurance for them?
So आपने लोन से शुरू किया and then you reached insurance.
लोन से शुरू किया, but लोन खत्म हो गया वहाँ पे.
Okay.
When we started insurance.
Okay.
I went to the one of the insurance company's office, and there, one of the manager, she was a lady, and she told me that I will be giving you a product training for 1 week, and after that you can start your business. And after 1 week, when I started my business, that was the first day when I did 11 shop insurance. That was my first day.
Wow. And what gave you motivation? कहाँ से idea आया कि मुझे shop insurance करना है?
It incidentally happened. I went to one of my friend shop, and I asked her, "Do you have insurance?" He said, "No, I don't have insurance. But last week near to my shop only, leaving four shops, there was a fire incident, and nothing he could get. So insure my shop."
These are like local shops, like local shops.
That was a chemist shop.
Okay.
And after that, he said that my brother also has a shop, and do insurance for that also. Then after that, I continued getting the referral from there itself. My cousin, my brother-in-law, my blah blah, and till evening it was 11 shop insurance.
Wow. I was luck by your side. What will you call this?
We can say. So the destiny took me to towards that way.
Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. But starting with such a local level work of covering and protecting businesses, protecting shops, to now reaching even international markets, managing NRI clients, high profile HNI clientele. How has the transition been for you? तो आपने जब shops से शुरू किया, what was the next step to that?
Next step, because I was very much depressed after doing 11 shop insurance.
Really?
Yeah. You see, the premium for that 11 shop insurance was almost 15,000 bucks.
Okay.
And I see that at that time, in 2005, when we see a car insurance, that the premium for that car insurance was a lower class car insurance, let us say Indigo. That was 13,000 or 15,000.
Okay.
So I said, I couldn't do that car insurance? Why I did the 11 shop insurance? Then I started, I gathered data for the car insurance purposes, and I started then with the car insurance. And
तो पहले दिन ही आपको इंसाइट मिल गई अपने बिजनेस की.
Of course.
Very sharp. Moving to like diving deep right into the sector itself. You
Yeah.
know, of course, 2 decades of building this work. You've been seeing how things are changing, how fast they are moving. कहाँ से अगर एक इंडिविजुअल को शुरुआत करनी हो इंश्योरेंस की, कहाँ से शुरू करना चाहिए? लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ऑफ कोर्स इज अ मस्ट, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज अ मस्ट, बट व्हाट मोर?
you see, there are vast number of products within the insurance. And at present, if we call, more than 33 companies are working in India. And more are to come. If you call about Dubai, they've got 70 plus insurance companies. If you go to USA, they've got 700 plus insurance companies. And after that, product diversification and the awareness is growing in India also. Not towards a tier 1 city, it is going to tier 2 and tier 3 cities also. And for the insurance, for making the insurance as a carrier, it is a 3 lakh crore market at present. And soon, within you can say 5 years, it will be going to become a 10 lakh crore market.
So we can get ourselves now trained. This is a good time. It's a hot sector to be in. Yeah. So what will be your take on it? Like, are there institutes? Are there online courses that are available? How can one really look into making a career in insurance?
See, the insurance companies, for becoming an advisor, you have to pass an IRD exam, or you can go with the point of sales. You can open a point of sales. You can be a point of sales person. For that, no examination is required to be passed.
Okay, so they train you.
Yeah, of course, they train you, but you can say that at present, the number of trained advisors are very much low.
Very few.
Very few.
Okay. And how does this sector really work in, let's say, tier 2 or tier 3 market of India? How are you looking the diverse India, which is so demographically, geographically spread out? Obviously, every product doesn't suit every profile of individual. So how do you make that demarcation, and what advices you give according to the financial strata, according to the economic strata, or a geography that one is living in?
See, in the tier, at present, if we talk about tier 1 cities, the big cities, the metro cities, the awareness is there towards the people, and they choose, or they obtain the insurance policies for them. But if you go to tier 2 cities, at present, if I call about, more than 50% of the vehicles are not insured even.
Okay, tier 2 में
Yeah.
अभी भी नहीं है.
अभी भी नहीं है. That is the data available. So, and
It's lack of knowledge. What is it?
they are not aware of the products. They are not, educated to take the insurance for that.
तो क्या कंपनीज वहां तक नहीं पहुंच पाई हैं कि एजुकेशन और इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं पहुंच पाई?
You see, companies are, working hard to reach over there. As I say, the government has a target of by 2047, they want that each and every person of India should have insurance. So they are also targeting the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. And for that,
गवर्नमेंट का कोई रोल है इसमें? होना चाहिए?
Of course, IRDA is working hard on it because making of the point of salespersons and all these things. But if we see, let us say, there's a one spam, one region, you can say. In one region, there is a sales team with the insurance company, and they have recruited almost 8,500, 9,000 of the insurance salesperson,
Yeah, agents.
point of salesperson, not the agents.
Not agents, salesperson.
Point of
Okay.
salesperson.
Okay.
And
और ये डिफरेंस क्या है एजेंट्स और सेल्स पर्सन में?
you see, insurance advisor has to pass an exam and IRDA exam, and of course he's trained up to some extent. But if I talk about point of salesperson, you provide your 2-3 documents, the KYC documents, and you have a little bit of computer knowledge, and you become an point of salesperson.
Okay, so a sales agent who's a qualified person from IRDA can hire salespeople. Can he make a team of salespeople?
You see, not at the moment, if I say. That I was talking about that, a sales team has 8,500 and 9,000 of point of salesperson are the insurance advisors. But how many are active out of that in a month? There's hardly 300 and 350. And out of that, a very few, 10 or 20 people who are adequately doing business. So that is, that is where we are lacking at, towards the education of the insurance advisors or the point of salesperson. And if you talk about, that is my advice, and some of the company have also studied that, the co-rewarding system. The co-rewarding system that the senior advisors are being mapped, some of the insurance salespersons, they are being mapped under the senior insurance advisors. And they are getting some part of the, the insurance companies are paying a little bit of part of the commission to them to educate their persons and obtain the business from them.
Yeah. So it's like an on-the-job kind of a
On the
training,
job.
and they're also getting mentoring under the senior person.
That's right.
Yeah. So you're saying that insurance sector में अभी बहुत कुछ होना बाकी है
course, very much.
when we can really call it that कि हाँ, we are moving towards progress, or we are moving towards the growth
course, yeah, of
in
course,
that sense.
of course.
But having said that, what we are seeing, instruments after instruments, policies after policies, products after products, and it's too confusing for a layman. Insurance comes with so many fine prints. It comes with so many details. It comes with so much of maybe technicality. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो लिखी जाती हैं वो समझी नहीं जाती हैं. हमें पता भी नहीं है कि क्या हमारे फेवर में क्या नहीं है. What would you want to talk about? What would you want to say on that?
It is purchased without any advice of an insurance advisor or the broker.
Mostly भरोसे पे लोग इंश्योरेंस
भरोसे
खरीदते
पे
हैं.
लोग इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं. Let us say, because I won't say that POSP are not, they should not be allowed or something like that. But when you are taking an insurance online, that time the things are going wrong.
They're going wrong?
Yeah. If you take the data, 61% of the insurance policies which are taken online are going wrong.
Why would you say that?
The insurance, the layman who is purchasing an insurance, he doesn't know that, if we talk about the car insurance, he doesn't know that what is the no claim bonus percentage of that, and PA cover to the owner driver, that is missing out of that.
और ये क्या होता है?
it
नो
looks
क्लेम
cheaper.
बोनस और पीए कवर दोनों चीजें बताइए, होता क्या है?
No claim bonus when you are not taking a claim on a year.
Yeah.
And that time, next year, you are getting the insurance, some percentage of the insurance, no claim bonus as a for the premium
Oh, okay.
you are paying.
And the PA thing that you were talking about, what
That
is
is
that?
PA covered for the owner driver, that
कि
owner
गाड़ी
of,
कोई और चला रहा है.
no, the owner of that car
हाँ.
will get covered for the 15 lakh of personal accidental insurance.
Okay.
And that is missing. And there are some, deductibles. after the compulsory deductibles, there are some voluntary deductibles. They are put on that policy. They only see that the insurance premium is cheaper, and they purchase it out.
Okay.
But when they realize when the things go wrong,
When things go wrong, when you put the claim and then
Yeah.
all these fine prints वो निकल के आते हैं
Yeah,
बाहर
वो
कि
निकल
आपकी
के
पॉलिसी में ये मेंशन नहीं था, वो नहीं था. And so where should one really, I mean, of course, other than YouTube Academy, where should one really go and understand these finer nuances of the sector? How should one even educate oneself? So जैसे हम एक वेव आई है अभी कि हर कोई फाइनेंशियल मार्केट को अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहता है, क्रैक करना चाहता है, खुद इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है, पोर्टफोलियो मैनेज करना चाहता है, वेल्थ बिल्ड करना चाहता है, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस में वो अवेयरनेस अभी भी मिसिंग है. लोग अपने आप को सेल्फ एजुकेट करने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा रिलक्टेंस है. सो where should they make the start?
you see, with the digital policy, human backup is very much necessary. I find that. I would advise that the an insurance advisor who himself is well educated. The advice of that is compulsory.
So KDG might be a very soft-spoken person, but I think the point that he's driving is out loud that someone like him should be seeked out in case you want to build any education.
It's not like that.
And where can someone reach out to you? I mean, why don't you tell us, our viewers, our audience, that if they are stuck with these finer nuances, where can they really reach you out? Are you there on digital media? या वो इस
Yes, I'm there.
पॉडकास्ट पे आके कमेंट कर सकते हैं.
My contact details are also there.
एंड तो ये एडवाइस कैसे अवेलेबल है? क्या आप डिजिटली भी कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं लोगों से या उन्हें आके आपसे मिलना होगा? कैसे करना होगा ये?
Of course, there's no need to meet me because the geographical area is very very much vast, and I even physically physically may not be able to reach to everyone. But we can connect it online. We can connect over the phone, over the Google Meets and all, anything.
दैट कैन बी डन. तो आप अमूमन देखिए, इंश्योरेंस का ये भी समझना एक समझ है कि अगर वो एक एडवाइज़र है तो वो उस जोग्राफी में ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव होता है. क्या आप दिल्ली एनसीआर से बाहर भी एडवाइस करते हैं लोगों को?
Of course, I have clients in Bangalore and Pune and Mumbai, everywhere.
Everywhere, all across India. Okay. And of course, we know that you have some very good HNI clients also who come to advise with you. What about women in particular? And I will obviously want to come on child insurance, child education insurance, child care insurance. But to begin with women, women who are earning, women who are even financially independent, where can they make a start with respect to insurance?
With respect to insurance, you see, even that cannot be a woman. Even a woman can do it even part time also.
Like she can take it up as a profession?
Yeah.
She can take it up as a profession,
Yes,
insurance?
yes.
Okay,
The insurance can be taken as a profession.
Okay.
And if I say that the women, they are more comfortable in making a good relationship. And you need not to have the financially, literate for to become an insurance advisor.
ओके. तो आपको इतना फिनेंसेस की नॉलेज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी ट्रस्ट एंड रिलेशनशिप ड्रिवन टू टेक दिस career ahead. And what about women who should be investing in which all are the good insurance instrument where they should go for?
For women, so first of all, when they are taking the health insurance policies, they should have, they should choose the policies in which the breast and ovary and cervical cancers are covered in that. Basically, we see that in India, for the human, not even in India, in the world, if you see across the world, the women are suffering from all these diseases very
तो कोई जो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ स्टाइल से ड्रिवन डिजीजेस हैं, यू शुड मेक श्योर कि आपकी पॉलिसी उनको डेफिनेटली कवर करे. है ना, और कुछ जो ट्रेंड कर रहा है कि हम कॉमनली देख रहे हैं कि वुमेन को प्री मेनोपॉजल जल्दी हो रहा है, या यू नो लेट्स से PCOS और PCOD से वो सफ़र कर रही हैं, तो इनसे रिलेटेड जो डिजीजेस
See,
हो
if we call
सकती हैं.
about menopause, first of all, at the time of menopause, we see that the mental stress is very much high. So mental wellness is also being covered in the policy. And all.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really refreshing information. और वो कैसे, कहाँ, मतलब क्या क्या चीज़ें उसमें कवर होती हैं?
Any type of mental wellness or mental illness is covered in that.
तो उसकी वजह से अगर आप अपनी जॉब पे नहीं परफॉर्म कर पा रहे, या आपकी जॉब छूट जाती है, तो यू कैन एक्चुअली बी बेनिफिटेड.
Not for that, but you can take the the advice of the doctor, and that will also be covered in that. If some medical
So if you're going for some
medical cost is
therapies
occurring, yeah.
and sessions with regards
Sessions,
to your
yeah, that
mental
will-
health,
yeah, that will be covered.
that can be covered. Very interesting. What about women and jewelry, which is a very obvious asset in their lockers, whatever that is lying out there. क्या ज्वेलरी को भी इंश्योर किया जा सकता है?
Yes, ज्वेलरी को भी इंश्योर किया जा सकता है, and with the home insurance products, of course, you see, in the market, I told you that there are so many products available. One is the cheaper product which will cover only the basic fire and allied perils for that, and the other one is which will adequately insure each and everything. That is called insurance all risk.
Insurance
All risk.
all risk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All your contents can be insured for the all risk.
मतलब ये होम इंश्योरेंस में आता है.
Home insurance. Let us say there is a glass in the washroom.
Okay. So अगर हमारे
There
पास
are
कोई,
some window blinds.
हाँ, या window blinds can also be covered.
There are some window blinds, and other than that, some of one of the child comes and he wants to become an MFOSN, and he does some drawing, and that is also required to be changed. That will be covered in that policy.
Okay, very interesting.
And jewelry all risk. Even we have the products, in the insurance companies have the products in which the mysterious disappearance is also covered.
So give us some examples. So if some woman has a 50,000 rupee bag or a 2 lakh rupee bag, can she actually insure it?
Yes, that can be
Really?
insured. I will give you one example.
And designer clothes,
Yeah.
can they be insured?
I'll give you an example. One lady who was coming from abroad, what she did, her ear tops, she removed that to put that headphone on her ears, and she put that in the front bag of that airline seat, and she forgot.
Okay, this is a case you addressed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And after coming back, and she realized that I've lost that.
And what were they, diamond earrings?
Yeah, they were
okay,
the diamond
gold.
earrings.
Okay.
And it was paid by the insurance company.
Really?
Yes.
मैं इस इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का नाम जानना चाहूंगी after the show.
Being an insurance service, I can't, on camera, I can't.
You can't promote any particular
yeah, of
brand.
course.
Oh, that's very interesting. So anything which is of high value or is precious in nature, or you are capable to pay premium for, then you can insure
Yes,
it.
you can insure that.
ओके, सो अगर हम स्टूडियो में जो चीज़ें रखते हैं, हमारा फर्नीचर है, ये सारी चीज़ें
Yes,
हो सकती
everything
हैं
can be
insured.
covered. Everything can be
ओके. तो क्या आप आना चाहेंगे अनबाउंड विद ममता पे अनबाउंडिंग के लिए मेरे साथ? कोई स्टोरी, कोई आइडिया, कोई थॉट है आपके पास जो आप चाहते हैं कि दुनिया सुने, तो मुझे लिखिए unboundwithmamta@gmail.com. That is unboundwithmamta@gmail.com, या सिंपली हमारे किसी भी इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट को या यूट्यूब के एपिसोड को लाइक, शेयर या अपने कमेंट्स भेजिए. So moving the needle to child care and child education, what is the best way? मतलब जब आप सबको करना ही होता है और करते ही हैं, जब आप वो डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, तो what are some of the things that you should take as red flags and you should take as green ticks?
So first of all, we see that life is very much unpredictable at the moment. Can't say what is going to happen the next second. And if you see the accident in India, if we take about the NCRB data, I'm talking about only the NCRB data. In last 3 years, more than 5 lakh of people have died because of a road accident.
Really?
I'm
In
talking
last
about-
3 years
yeah,
alone?
Yeah. That is NCRB data. But in practical, if you see, in reality, it may be very much high. And after that, stampede. And the people falling in the house. And uh, get injury. Insect bite, animal bite. They are permanently disabled or permanently disabled because of that.
Right.
But who is going to pay when they are injured,
Right.
when they are no more because of an accident?
Yeah.
Who is going to pay for them? For their children education, for their daily essentials.
So the child education can only be insured against the term insurance, or are there other instruments
Yes,
also?
personal accidental insurance is there, and that is very much compulsory. I find it very much compulsory for the people in India. Everybody should take.
और ये सिर्फ वर्किंग होता है ना कि ये वर्किंग पर्सन है ऑफ द फैमिली या ब्रेड अर्नर है, तो सिर्फ इसको इंश्योर करो, द होल फैमिली शुड बी इंश्योर्ड.
Whole family should be insured, of course.
Yeah. Coming to child education insurance, what all are other ways of getting insurance so that अगर वो कल को अब्रॉड जाके पढ़ना चाहता है या कुछ स्पेशलाइज स्टडी करना चाहता है, एक लमसम अमाउंट पेरेंट्स को मिल सके, ऐसा कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है?
At the moment in India,
At the moment, it's not there. Okay, it's mostly about personal accident and
Yeah, the earning members. Something happens to the earning member, and the sponsor, you can say, for the education of the child. So
but there is no coverage as such कि बच्चा पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करना चाहता है, चाहे उसका कोई अर्निंग मेंबर की इंश्योरेंस हुई हो या ना हुई हो, तो सिर्फ उसको कोई स्टेट कवर मिलेगा या कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं
नहीं,
है
ऐसा
कंट्री
कुछ
में अभी. ओके, गेटिंग टू द जेन जी, इनका थॉट बहुत अलग है. दे वांट टू लिव फॉर नाउ, दे वांट टू लिव फॉर व्हाट्स देयर, दे वांट टू लिव फॉर एक्सपीरियंसेस. व्हाट इज योर scent of wisdom that you would want to share with them?
if we talk about let us say today's world, cyber, right? So everybody is using each and everything. We were saying that earlier we were saying that दीवारों के भी कान होते हैं. But there are no walls at the moment. Whatever we say, whatever we type, whatever we search is going to echo back us. Let's say I'm just telling my friend that I'm going to buy a car. I'm planning to buy a car. Within a few minutes, you will find that all the ads for such type of ads and on the social media, on your emails, on your mobile phones, that will start appearing. So that is the
तो
digital
ये
surveillance.
सुन
where-
रहा है, ये सुन रहा है.
Of course,
ये
the
हमारी
phone is
बात
listening.
ये सुनने के लिए नहीं है, ये सुनने के लिए यूज हो रहा है.
Of
Oh
course.
God.
So that is the digital world of surveillance we are living in. And after the AI, it has become more crucial now.
So how has your life changed? As an insurance advisor, has it become more tough, complex, or easier?
You see, that is a business, you can say, and advising the client, and that is you can. I find it is a social cause that I'm doing. Of course, I'm earning out of that, but that is a social cause that I'm working for.
Yeah. So what is your suggestion and advice to this generation who's excessively using gadgets and all sorts of gadgets for maybe work, for leisure? How should they tread the the path of cybersecurity?
You see, the cyber insurance, of course, cyber insurance, because I'm not a cyber technical person, but cyber insurance is a must.
तो कैसे होता है cyber insurance?
Cyber insurance is very much easy. It protects your money. It protects the e-reputation of the insurance of the businesses. It protects your data breach. So everything is covered in that.
तो आपकी reputation management वगैरह भी इसमें आ सकती है.
Let us say, take a few examples.
या सो सिर्फ 850 रुपीज से आप 10 लाख का फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड से का कवरेज आपको मिल सकता है इफ़ यू गो हैड विद जस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 850 रुपीज़. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन हो चुका है. बच्चे तो चलिए अलग तरीके के साइबर थ्रेट के उस पे हैं, बट डेफिनेटली एल्डरली पेरेंट्स हु आर सिटिंग बैक होम जहाँ पे साइबर अरेस्ट हो रहा है और ऐसे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि आपका बच्चा यहाँ पे है और आपको उसको छोड़.
Even the ransom amount. That cyber arrest, when it happens, even the ransom amount is being paid by the insurance company.
तो अगर आपने उस प्रेशर में आके रैंसम पे कर दिया तो वो एक्चुअली इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपको
Insurance company, just inform the insurance company when you are cyber arrested, they will negotiate with the hacker. The company's website are being hacked, and the companies are not able to work, and they ask the ransom money, and ransom money is being paid by the insurance company. They are negotiating with them.
Wow. But then how does it work out for the insurance company? Are they making losses then?
Of course, the cyber insurance at present is in very much loss for the insurance companies.
For the insurance companies, yeah. But that's another end of the business and spectrum, which today we will not talk. But definitely, I would love to know that how do insurance companies
one more
make
example
money?
I'll quote. Two businessmen, they are friends also. They meet in the golf.
ये आप real life examples
Real
बता
life
रहे हैं.
example.
Okay.
And when this is not going back, this is hardly 2-3 months back. Two businessmen and their friends also. They meet at the golf court. They are playing golf. वो एक बंदा दूसरे से पूछता है, यार सब ठीक है ना, बिजनेस ठीक चल रहा है ना, सब क्या हो गया? He said, क्या हो गया यार, सब ठीक है यार, मैंने जो मटेरियल सप्लाई किया है ना तेरी कंपनी को, उसका लास्ट 3-4 मंथ से पेमेंट नहीं आ रही है. He said, yeah, I made all the payment. Then he calls up his accountant. He said, yes, it has been adequately made and in time. Where's the payment gone? Now, one hacker who was following them for the last 6 months, what he did, he changed the domain of their company from CO to IN. And he mailed from that to that person's company that we have changed our bank details. These are our bank details. In future, transfer the amount in this bank. That was almost 14 or 15 crore of rupees of fraud. Another, insurance companies, they have their agents, like intelligence people have intelligence of any country has their agents, like insurance companies have also have their agents.
Okay.
In the abroad, everywhere.
Okay, like they have their own crime experts and
cyber
and investigating agencies and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the night, one night, the insurance employee, insurance underwriter, he receives a call from Singapore from the insurance company's agent that data of this company for which we have the insurance policy is available for sale on the dark web. In the night, he the underwriter wakes up. He calls the insurance advisor. Then insurance advisor calls up the the client, the insured, and after that, in the night itself, that was a logistic company actually. And in the night itself, it was found that the access of every laptop was taken, and in the night itself, it was found that it was by one of the his employee who was collecting data for last 1 year, and now after that he has put it on dark web for sale.
Okay. And how does one really go about this? Like, so if I were to insure myself against cybercrime or cyber fraud as an individual who is probably not an employee of some other company, as a self-employed person, how where do I go and buy this instrument, or where should I get more information on this from? IRDA की साइट पे है कि is it with insurance agents?
Where the insurance advisors are
Advisor
there.
are there. So go to a trusted insurance advisor and seek more information and go ahead and protect yourself against
Yeah.
these kind of crimes and frauds. एंड इसमें मतलब कुछ डैमेजेस का वो होता है कि उसका प्रूफ क्या देंगे, अब किसी उसकी वजह से किसी की रेपुटेशन ख़राब हो गई या उसकी वजह से उसका एक सोशल स्टैंडिंग में फ़र्क आ गया, क्या ये चीज़ें एक्चुअली मेजरेबल हैं? इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज इसको मेजर करके
Of course, they have their expert and they analyze each and everything.
Right.
And after that, it gets
right, because we see that a lot of youngsters come under the pressure.
Yeah.
You know, there is some sort of trolling that is happening, or fake account has been made in their name, and then they go into mental issues, and that can even lead to some disastrous
Of course,
steps.
for that, the premium of that is for those things, the premium is very much high.
Very
of course,
high.
but it we have
Gets covered. Okay. So next time you're making a digital asset for yourself, be sure how you are signing up, be sure what kind of passwords and protection gateways you are keeping, so that you are safe against these kind of crimes.
If it happens to someone, and after that they come to us that yes, we want the insurance. Okay, you get the insurance. For that, the insurance company,
तो वो क्राइम होने के बाद आपके पास आ रहे हैं कि हमारे
क्राइम
साथ
होने
हो
के
गया
बाद आ
है.
रहे हैं, क्राइम होने से पहले आए तो insurance companies, they provide each and everything before, even after taking the policy, they audit each and everything. They audit their their websites, their you can say that their tax. They audit each and everything after the policy, after they have taken the policy, so that they are prevented.
तो क्या वो आपको गाइडलाइंस भी देती हैं कि अगर आपको डिजिटली एक्टिव होना है या अपने अकाउंट को सेफ गार्डेड रखना है, तो इस तरीके का पासवर्ड बनाओ, इस तरीके का कंटेंट डालो, इस तरीके, डू दे गिव यू गाइडलाइंस ऑन दैट?
And anytime you go to the insurance company and they monitor your things, whether
Yeah.
it is being compromised somewhere.
राइट राइट, कि अपनी प्रोफाइल को लॉक कैसे रख सकते हैं, प्राइवेट व्यू मोड में कैसे रख सकते हैं. दे टेल यू ऑल दोज स्टेप्स दैट यू कैन फॉलो. That's very interesting. And again, I think that kind of an insight can only come from someone who's as expert as you are. Moving the needle to weddings and events, changing the flavor of insurance. तो आपने मुझे बताया कि शगन के लिफाफे भी इंश्योर हो सकते हैं.
Of
ये
course,
कैसे हो
of
सकता है? I think a lot of people out there would love to know about that.
And first of all, I'll just tell you, the event insurance, of course, event insurance should be insured. The large events are going on. The celebrities.
And I think हमारी लाइफ टाइम में एक लार्ज इवेंट तो मैरिजेस ही होता है, weddings are big.
Yeah, I'm talking about the singers
Yeah,
are performing.
okay. Stage events and stage shows.
The stage events are there, and let us say the singer is not able to reach there because of some emergency, and the event gets cancelled. In that case, you can find, you can see what is going to happen in there. So that is also covered in that. The event cancellation amount is covered for that. Those all, and anything, the venue of that event, that can be covered for the natural disasters and all. And
any
if you
accident, any damage
Yeah,
that might happen during a performance.
yeah, that can also be insured in that. Now we talk about the once in a lifetime
Event.
event
Hopefully.
the wedding insurance. You know, the people are spending now in India. You see, the wedding is not cheaper. The people are spending. You can say the more and more.
Crores and crores.
Yeah, crores and crores, and
Yeah.
it has become a luxury also.
Yeah.
You can say that event, and in that, if the event cancels because of death of in the anybody of and whether it is a bride or groom and
Or their family,
and
anyone in their families.
their families,
Huh.
anybody in their families, and it gets cancelled because when you're booking an event, when you're booking a venue, that time you're paying a huge amount of advance. Almost you can say 80% of the advance you are paying there, and after that the anything is happening because of natural disaster, anything happening to the venue, any loss to the venue, any damages to the venue, that is also covered in that. And after that, shagun ki lifafe
Shagun ki
And
lifafe.
and jewelry,
Right, right.
that is also covered in that.
तो वो जो पुरानी फिल्मों में होता था, वो डाकू आ जाते थे और वो सब लूट के ले जाते थे, तो ये अब इंश्योर हो सकता है.
आप इन टूडेज यू कैन सी, आप देखते हैं कि बच्चा वो लेके चला जाता है, ज्वेलरी का बैग लेके चला जाता है, एंड ज्वेलरी विच यू नो द गेस्ट्स आर वेयरिंग, दैट इज बीइंग स्नैच्ड, that covers in the wedding insurance. And you know how much it is costing? If you talk about the 5 lakh of insurance, it is costing only 1,400 rupees.
What are you saying? एंड स्पेशली आई थिंक क्योंकि हमारी ओवरनाइट वेडिंग्स चलती हैं, आप वैसे ही
On a wedding, and after that you say the haldi ceremony, the
Yeah,
mehndi ceremony,
yeah.
it is also covered in that.
ओके, सो ऑल दीज इवेंट्स कैन बी
Yeah.
इंश्योर्ड. सो
Yeah.
वो पूरा वेडिंग को आप उस तरीके से हमारी दिवालियाँ तो नहीं इंश्योर हो सकती, मतलब कुछ वो भी है क्या कि घर में कुछ आप उत्सव मना रहे हैं, कुछ हो रहा है, एंड
I mean, that is
बट
the-
वो होम इंश्योरेंस में
That is home insurance.
होम इंश्योरेंस में हो जाएगा. That is very interesting. And so let's say, what about travel? How, because Gen Z and New India is traveling, it's going places. Of course, there is one thing कि आप जो mode of transportation, but वहाँ पे भी आपके साथ दूसरी country में कुछ हो सकता है. सारी चीज़ें travel में भी सब चीज़ें insure हो सकती हैं आपकी.
Of course, everything can be insured in
Yeah,
that.
even if you let's say अगर आप वहाँ जाके किसी होटल प्रॉपर्टी में रह रहे हैं और वहाँ पे कुछ हो गया, तो भी you can be insured against that calamity or
Of course,
damage.
personal accidental insurance is also covered in that.
Covered in that,
for some of the dollars. you can say.
Okay, okay. और अगर आप कोई एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं जिसमें वो आपसे वो लाइबिलिटी फॉर्म भी भरवाते हैं कि ये
That can be covered with an add-on premium.
विद एन एड ऑन प्रीमियम. ओके, ओके. और किस तरीके की इंश्योरेंसेज हैं जिसके बारे में हमें नहीं पता है? मतलब इतना
Liability.
लाइबिलिटी.
It is a very much crucial product.
ओके. और उसमें क्या क्या कवर होता है?
Liability, you see, if we talk about the car insurance, the motor vehicle insurance, motor vehicle insurance in India, it is compulsory within the Indian Motor Tariff Act. In Western countries, if you see, that is very much common. It is routine, the liability claims. But in India, it is slowly it is growing. The awareness is growing, and the people are talking about the liability insurance.
तो मैंने कहीं लोन लिया है, क्या लाइबिलिटी को थोड़ा और ब्रेक डाउन करके समझाइए हमारे लिए.
Liability किसी भी तरह की हो सकती है. Let us say I'm sitting here with you, okay, and I get angry, and I slap the cameraman, and he sues me. If I have a liability insurance, that will be paid by the insurance company.
Okay. I think once you also spoke about these kind of indemnities, right? Professional indemnity.
Professional indemnity is for the doctors, basically, and for the professionals, that can be architect, that can be an engineer, and that can be any professional, you can say.
Okay,
That can
that's
be
the
a
reason
CA.
why we popularly say कि US में तो अगर कोई चिल्ला भी दे आपके ऊपर, you can file a suit.
You can file it, and that is a routine work there. And here you see, one of my client, I would say. He was exporting the quilts, handmade quilts. Okay, and but he didn't have the product liability insurance, and he was exporting, and his quilts were being exported to in the US, and that was handmade, and with the needles, one needle was left by one of the workers.
अच्छा नीडल उसमें रह गए
Needle उसमें रह गया.
ओके
And that pinched that one of the person in US, and he sued.
ओ कि मुझे इसमें से नीडल मिली है
Needle मेरे को pinch हुई है.
पिंच हुई है ओ
And that was a very much large claim he made. And after that they took the liability insurance, product liability insurance.
Oh, okay. Your favorite go-to book, which you can read anytime.
That is Tata Stories, written by Harish Bhatt.
One thing which is like a must have or a must do first thing in the morning as a routine for you.
Worship.
Okay, okay. And one thing which is a routine, like a bedtime routine for you.
Watching TV.
Watching TV. Okay, okay. When was the last time you said I love you to your wife?
Can't remember.
Your favorite food.
If you talk about sweet, it is gulab jamun.
Okay, your one favorite एक होता है ना एक लाइन होती है जो हम बार बार बोलते हैं
तेरे बाप की शादी है क्या?
तेरे बाप की शादी है क्या? Any piece of advice that you want to give to the younger audiences out here, the Gen Z?
See, they should they should keep the future in their mind.
Okay. Gen Z, keep your future in your mind.
Yeah.
That's right?
Yeah.
Okay. Your एक होता है ना गिल्ट प्लेजर होता है दैट मैं अपने आप को ये अलाउ कर देता हूँ गिल्टी प्लेजर
Drinking and not telling to anybody.
Oh, okay. Drinking and being by yourself. Oh, very interesting. Very interesting. वैसे, can we get name of your wife?
She is Anju Bala.
तो ना अब आप सबके सामने सरे आम कैमरा में अंजू बाला जी को आई लव यू
I love you, Anju.
That's very, very sweet. One thing that you want to say to your own younger self. एक advice जो आप अपने younger self को देना चाहते हैं.
I would have gained more education.
Okay. अगर आप इंश्योरेंस नहीं या आपके केस में तो ऐसा हुआ कि इंश्योरेंस ने आपको चुना राइट अगर ये ऐसा नहीं होता तो क्या होता
I would have become a teacher.
A teacher. Very interesting. And what is your idea of unbound? मतलब जब कोई
I go out, will walk for someone for some time, and come back.
So that's your perfect idea of unbounding. Superb. And I think with that, you have truly come unfiltered, authentic, and unbound on the show. This is what we seek, we look up to with every guest, every expert. Knowledge, education, and unbound. So this has been a fabulous conversation. We would definitely love to have you more. Thanks a lot for bringing so much insight, so much education, I think, जो missing है इस sector के बारे में. Any last piece of advice or word of advice to the audience specific to ensuring their future and making the right investment in insurance? Anything that you'd like to say?
See, at present, if you say that some people are saying that, will say that insurance is a myth. It is not a myth, of course. It is not mithya. It is satya. It is a reality. We see everything. You see that is. We see the natural disasters. We see the accident happening everywhere. We see the people running to the hospitals, families shattering, and after that, if we shut our eyes, that is our mistake. So adequately choose the insurance policies. It is a reality, and you should adopt that.
देखिए आपका चॉइस कहीं से भी हो लेकिन उसमें फियर मत आने दीजिए एक ट्रस्टेड एडवाइज़र के पास जाइए नॉलेजेबल एजुकेटेड इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन लीजिए और किसी भी और चीज़ के लिए वापस आइए अनबाउंड पे.
It was amazing. The experience is amazing. Can't say. I don't have words even.
Let's keep unbounding together.